In life, you or anybody can achieve anything they want or aspire for, just making sure they use their time wisely and prioritize things according to achieve the same. Let's take this jar and let's do one thing. Let's do a small activity. Let's put some balls and fill the entire jar. Something like this. Okay. So I fill the jar with balls. Is the jar full or is there any space left? I mean, I'm sure you'll say the jar is full. Let's do one thing. Let's take sand and try to see if it comes. Yeah, let's put and fill. Yeah. So is the jar full now? I mean, yeah, it has balls and it also has stone. Actually, this jar represents our life. This jar actually represents the life. It actually represents you. Because this ball is your priorities, your important things. You can't live without it. It has family, happiness, peace, job, and everything, which is your priority. Things which are very, very prior, very important in your life. And then stones are actually which are least important, not that important. So it's a mixture of all. So this is what life is all about. So prioritize your time in such a way that the important things in life which you have to do, which as I mentioned, family, love, job and things like that, should be have the priority in the first place, and then the stone, which is not that important. And things which are not important. For every individual, it will be different. No, but what, for example, we do it vice versa. And that's exactly how our life represents. What if we put the sand first and fill the entire jar, and then on the top of it, we fill balls? So what will happen is the jar will be full with sand, I mean the stone, and then there will be probably one or two balls over it. That's what we do. There are times we don't prioritize and utilize our time wisely. And for non-productive things which are not that important, we waste and utilize all our time and resource and energy in it. And what happens is the important things which are very important in our life gets neglected. And that's the reason you have struggles, you have issues in your personal life, I mean in your relationship or your professional life. So use your time wisely. Use your time wisely in a way that firstly the jar will be filled with your life, will be filled with your priorities, and then whenever the space is, you can have your unproductive things or things which are not that important. Thank you so very much. Romil Kathuria for you.